location. Let's focus on communication, 'cause I just need the time and place to come close.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this is going to be part 2 of the first segment of Clean With Me. It's going to be the living room. So let me give you an overview of what the living room looks like. Anyway, so this is an overview of what the living room looks like. I am doing all this in the same day just to get it over with. So that's why I'm wearing the same clothes that I'm wearing in the first vlog slash video of Clean With Me. So this is what it looks like. Right now I'm editing the first video. You guys should be already watching that, or you have already seen that. And if not, I'll link it in the video somewhere above so that you guys can watch the first part. But this is what my living room looks like. Isaac gets into everything, so I had that over there in one of the bags, the trash bags, and he took it out and started playing with it. So I gotta go put it back in the trash. But I'm gonna deep clean, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the cushions. Oh my god, he's eating macaroni and cheese. Look at him.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're out like Somo, cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy. And she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know. Cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just tryna party. Live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. Whoa, the summertime. The summertime, yeah, summer. Yeah, the summertime, yeah. When I met you in the summer.
freaking busting a sweat. Like I had to go change my shirt and put on something like loose and like light and like less clothing because it was freaking hot. I even took off my socks. Like it's getting hot in here. But so far I'm not sure if it recorded anything because my camera was like kind of like freezing because of how long the footage was. But let me go ahead and show you like what I did so far. So this is what I did so far. Let me zoom it out. I moved our couches. I cleaned the first couch. I cleaned that completely, which I'm pretty sure that the camera got. I am doing this one. I already cleaned the cushions and I cleaned that. I have to go back and clean the cushions again. But I removed the couch from there, from that corner. And I'm really debating whether to move like the stuff over and have a more open feel of this, but then I don't want to just open the door and then them walk into like seeing the couch. That's the only thing I don't want to do. So I might just move it around. Let me get the tripod. See? So like I was saying, I might just move it around and see what it will look like. I'm gonna play with some options. I'm not gonna record this part of the video just because it's gonna take a long time for me to move everything myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip through this and then I'll come back and see if I move anything, which I really doubt, but I'm just gonna go ahead and skip through the video like I said, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay you guys, I think I actually got what like I want my living room to look like now that we're like, hold on, let me turn it down a little bit. I'm trying not to show you guys because I don't want you guys to see yet. Okay, so I wanted the living room to be more open, but I just didn't know like how to do it. And I think I have a like solution. I think I might have a solution, you guys. The only thing is it gonna work? So I moved this over here to the corner and I kind of like it. It like feels more open. But again, I don't have my couch like set up. And I think, just bear with me. I'm gonna skip through it again. Just because I'm trying to hurry up before Isaac gets here because I want to have the living room already set up so that way he can see like what it looks like. So where's my phone? Okay, so my phone's right here. Let me see what time it is because Isaac gets off at 3:30 and it only takes him like about 10 to 15 minutes to get here. Oh my god, it's so bright. I turned down the brightness. Holy dang. Oh yeah, but as you can see, like don't mind my breakouts because I'm like stressing a lot right now, but I'm like freaking breaking a sweat. So right now, oh my god, it's 3:23. I have literally like less than like 15 minutes before he gets here because it, like I said, it only takes him like 10 minutes to get here. He might even get off early if they're not too busy, so I'm just gonna hurry up and try to skim through. like it like this, to be honest. You're okay, you're okay. You just gotta watch where you're going. So I kind of like it like this, I'm not gonna lie. It kind of looks a little bit more open and a little bit more bigger than it did. I just don't know where I'm gonna put Noah's seat at. I can actually put it right here. Actually, yeah, that would be fine. But I kind of like it. I don't know, I just gotta get used to it. I just don't want like somebody to sit right here and they feel like it's too close to this. But I mean, I don't know, we'll see how Isaac likes it. If he don't like it, I mean, then I can always change it back. But I hope he does like it. I kind of like the couch like pushed against there, but I don't know. See, let me see how it looks against there, because I'm gonna see, it kind of looks bigger with the couch pushed against there. So I'm gonna see how this all turns out. So I'm just gonna cut the end of the video. This will be the end of it. I'm not gonna clean it anymore. Isaac's already gonna get here. So once I figure the couch situation, how I want it to be moved around, then I'll come back and show you guys the end of it. Hey guys, so I already figured out how I'm gonna keep the living room area. Isaac already seen it and he liked it. So this is what it's gonna stay like, just cause it's way more bigger. What's the matter? You want some papa? He's like, Mom, when he has food, he's okay. But yeah, it's gonna stay like this. We already checked, if you sit down you won't hit your head, so that's fine right there. Isaac already said. But most of it is gonna stay like this. There's more room for the kids to play, and so I think that's why he likes it. Excuse me. Yeah, he knows not to go out there. But yeah, this is how it looks like, and this is how it's gonna stay. So for the most part, it did take a long process for me to like move everything and like see where I wanted everything to stay at. But for the most of it, it all came out good. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. So if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys are. I mentioned it in the previous Clean With Me vlogging video. That winner of the giveaway will receive a Morphe palette, probably the 9C palette. This is what it looks like. So if you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe if you guys want to win this palette right here. And yeah, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog.